Hello. Now let's discuss. Is it possible to discuss start up IML system with online technical support from SWITEK? To do so, first of all, you must ensure that you have an engineer who has electronic and mechanical engineer. Most important is electronic engineer in your country. The basic structure of an IML system will include, here you can see this one is a stacking unit, pick the parts from, receive the parts from the picker. Here we call it manual. It is custom made according to your model design, the same shape as your part. And here is the cylinder to pick the labels. And the label would be placed in here. You can see this magazine where you place the label. The most to start up, the most important is the manual center would be to the center of the label picker here. That's the most important structure mechanism of an IML system. The stacking unit controlled by cylinder and another servo motor to control the turning up and down of the stacking unit. Here is the static charger. Here is the static charger, which is the compatible design one by Nikon, which is small and can be put into the arm of the IML system very easily. Here is the servo motor to control the opening of the arm to put the label and to pick the label and put in the label and pick the parts. Another servo motor is in the magazine to control the turning of the label picker for the label picking. Here you can see a very small vacuum pump for to supply the compressed air for the suckers to pick the labels, mainly for the label picking. So it is a small one, but small but sufficient for the application. This is the cabinet of the control unit. Here is the power supply and this part is power supply. And this one is PIO and PIO. This one is control unit. The main motherboard is here. And the servo driver, servo controller. The dial board, all the communication signals are from here. And this one is the control box of the IML system. So everything you can use it to start up the program and to start up the machine and the program. That's the basics. No matter what the machine looks like and no matter what kind of control system, the basic structure of the IML system will be like this. So keep it in your mind, and you will be able to start up the IML system with the help of a SWITEK engineer step by step. That's for the first lesson of how to start up an IML system for SWITEK. Thank you.